y'all, welcome back. I wanted to share our nightly routine of feeding our potbelly pig, Reba. If you do not know, yes, we do have a pig. We did not know she was gonna be as big as she is when we first got her, but we don't really care. We just all love her so much. She is the sweetest thing, and the kids, she's perfect for the kids. So if you're thinking of getting a pig, she's been awesome with them, and she just has such a big personality. But every week I like to give her kind of a little treat meal, I guess, and this week I had enough stuff for taco salad, so I started to throw that together. What you saw right there with the salsa, that'll be about the saltiest thing that I give her all week, because sodium is not good for pigs and it's not good for their skin or their coat. I do try to add and incorporate as many fruits and vegetables as I can into her diet. This is why this meal is so great for her. But she is also getting big. We don't really know when she's gonna stop growing. So in the weeks to come, we are going to be giving her a new little home. Right now, her pen, she's just kind of outgrowing it. So I'm going to be uploading how we're gonna be doing that. It's something, a little project that Branch and I are gonna be working on together. That's actually her best friend. Her and Branch, they love each other. And here's a little cutie. I like to give her a little sweet treat too whenever she does have things like a taco salad.
I took a toothbrush.
Y'all ready to give her food? Say hey, Reba girl.
Hey, Reba.
Anytime we put it in a bowl, she just rips it up, throws it out. Look at that little tail going. You like taco salad, girl? This is what happened before. Anytime we put it in these little containers, she attacks. So, giving her some water, making her some mud too. What's Reba getting this week?
A new tail.
A what?
A new tail.
What are we gonna do?
A building.
We gonna build her one? What color is her house gonna be?
White.
White. And what color is her roof gonna be?
Pink.
Pink.
Purple.
And purple.